Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In the last session, we placed doors in our 3D house model, and today we will try to place some windows in the same project. So let's access the file which was saved in the last lecture, that was lecture number 10. We have standard 4x4 openings for our windows. So first thing first, let's create some reference rectangles of 4x4. We can do it using snap points or simply giving the dimensions 48 by 48, that is 4 feet by 4 feet. Simple snap point can also do the job. Now for this side, again starting from this point and with snap object active, we can end it there. Again, same goes here. Then we can orbit and go to the back side. Let's take a 2D rectangle again and move it all the way to the end point and place it right there. Same goes here. And here is another one. This is the last one. Starting and ending point, and here we go. Now it's time to create our 3D windows. Like doors, we can take these 3D windows from any library and simply import them here. Or we can create our own if you don't have any access to the CAD blocks. So what we are going to do, we are going to start with a rectangle of 48 by 48, but make sure you are in front so everything is in the same plane. Now 48 by 48, a square in 2 dimensions. Next we are going to use the offset command, and here is the offset to 1 inch. Then we are using a line at the midpoint. Make sure to make the midpoint active. Then we are going to use the offset command again of 0.5 inches to the left and 0.5 inches to the right. After we are done, we can erase the line in the center because it was just for the reference. And we can get rid of additional lines by using the trim command. Now we have to join these two, so we have a complete rectangle. So use the join command by writing J and enter. Same goes here, select these two and then join them using the J command. Now it's time to do some 3D work. First we will select the outermost boundary and use the extrude command. Now we're going to extrude it to 9 inches. Same as we have done for the doors. The next thing is the insides. We will use the press pull command, go all the way towards the back side to simply remove them. Then we will use the region command and select like this. After pressing enter, you can see these two regions have been created. We can access any color to them. So let's access and then assign a specific color to them. Here is red, so we can change it to the cyan or blue. Cyan seem fine. And for the one in the outer, we can choose these colors, or even we have the option for select color. Here we find a huge range, so let's select any random color here. Gray seems pretty fine. Now it's time to start placing them. Let's move to world. Make sure you're in the front so you can easily select it. And here we can start with the move command. Take this corner and place in the corner that were created previously just for the reference, like this. It was as simple as that. Now we have to make sure it is in the perfect position. So we will use the move command, start from here, and here is the point of that red rectangle that we created in the start of the session. Now we have to select the entire body because we are going to start with the copy paste. So copy CO and start pasting from this point. Here is the point. Again, these are the front sides. We have created a copy at the back side. Now we are going to rotate. We can rotate from here. This is the rotate gizmo. Take it and give a value of 180 because we want to flip it completely. Again, we are going to use the move command, or let's say the copy. Starting from this point, move all the way to this point, and same goes here. Again, we will take the copy. Before that, we will use rotate gizmo and move it, say 90. Yes, 90 is perfect. Let's copy from this point and paste 3 times here. Here goes 1, 2, and 3. After placing them, we have to do 180-degree rotation again to get the window on the other side. We will use rotate gizmo. Sometimes it is pretty confusing, so if you move like this left and right, you may end up with a wrong decision. See, sometimes the graphics a little bit choppy, so it is better to give a certain value. Like if you move here and give a value of 0, it would be flipped like this. But if we select it and give a value of 180 degrees, it would be flipped in the way we want it. Rotate gizmo, rotate like this, give a value of 180, and boom, we are done. Now we can simply use the move command as we don't need any further copies. Just place them here and we are done. Let's make sure all windows are there. Just one space is left, that is for the exhaust, so we will try to figure it out in the next session. Instead of importing, I would like to create one right here so you can get a better understanding how you can create your own inventory. Now we will save the file as lecture number 11 because we were doing all the changes in lecture number 10 file, and here you can see the file has been successfully saved, so we can call it the day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.